Welcome to Alex and Willow in the heart of Crow's Nest Village. I'm Mike Turner, I'm a Senior Development Manager with Perifer Developments.
I'm Luke from Versatile Construction, Senior Project Manager at the Crow's Nest project.
Sun's shining, so let's go for a walk.
Tomorrow we're pouring our level 1 upper slab, which is the last of our transfers, and then we'll roll into our typical levels after that.
I love watching the way the guys are prepping the formwork deck for pour.
Good attention to detail, and that's what we spend this last day doing. Everything's set out perfectly and that we clean the deck properly. It's hard to see it now, but we're just stepping into apartment 105 on level 1. So this whole area behind us is a 3-bedroom apartment, private courtyard to this side, and then a balcony up there.
By far, one of the most popular features of Alex and Willow to date has been the interface to the community here. Food, dining, restaurants, cafes, bars, and also the metro's less than 3-minute walk and then 10 minutes to the city. Luke's promised me that we're finishing in Q1 2027. Progress is going really well and we're looking forward to welcoming our new owners in the new year.